If you think Bitcoin is only for tech bros or people with thousands to invest, you're missing the point. Even $100, yes, one crisp bill, could be the smartest money you ever put to work. Here's the thing. Most people wait until an investment is safe before jumping in. By then, the big gains are gone. Bitcoin's story isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about owning a slice of a scarce digital asset before the rest of the world catches up. And the math behind that is where it gets interesting. Bitcoin isn't like the dollar. No central bank can print more of it. There will only ever be 21 million coins, and millions of those are already lost forever. That scarcity makes every fraction more valuable over time. Here's the kicker. You don't need to buy an entire Bitcoin. You can own Satoshis, tiny fractions of it. Right now, $100 could buy you thousands of Satoshis. If Bitcoin's price climbs, your fraction rides the same wave. It's like owning a sliver of the Mona Lisa. You might not have the whole thing, but it's still priceless. In investing, an asymmetric bet means your downside is small, but your upside could be massive. The most you can lose with $100 in Bitcoin is $100. The upside? If Bitcoin ever hits $250,000, which some analysts project, your 100 becomes more than 1,000. That's a 10x return, without needing life-changing money up front. Think about it. People throw $100 on dinner, shoes, or subscriptions they forget about. Here, you're putting that same amount into something with global adoption momentum. We're still early. Less than 5% of the world owns Bitcoin. Imagine being in the early 90s and someone offered you stock in a tiny internet company before the boom. That's where Bitcoin is right now. The infrastructure is still growing, governments are figuring out regulations, and big institutions are just starting to buy in. By the time it's mainstream safe, that entry price will look like a joke. Fiat money loses value every year thanks to inflation. Bitcoin's fixed supply means it's designed to resist that erosion. Plus, it's borderless. You can send it across the world in minutes, without banks, middlemen, or crazy fees. That makes it attractive not just in the US or Canada, but in countries where local currencies are crumbling. Owning even a small amount isn't just about profit. It's about having a slice of financial freedom that works anywhere. You don't have to mortgage your house. You don't have to go all in. Start with $100. Get comfortable holding it. Watch the market. Learn how it works. That small step is often the difference between being an early participant and being the person who says, "I wish I'd bought back then." Here's the reality. $100 won't change your life today, but in a decade, it could be the seed of something big. And if Bitcoin doesn't hit those projections, you've risked less than a weekend getaway. The upside crushes the downside. And that's the math wealthy people live by.